Plants have always been recognized as inspirational sources for fashion and clothing designers worldwide. These natural elements not only bring beauty, but also freshness and a sense of vitality to the world of fashion and clothing. Just in fashion, shows of renowned brands such as Christian Dior, plants emerge as a plentiful source of inspiration for designers. Starting from a clothing design perspective, plants serve as inspiration for creating patterns, colors, and forms in garments. Some designers draw inspiration from plant details, such as leaf patterns or floral motifs, to design unique and captivating clothing patterns. These choices make the garments appear lively and distinctive. Moreover, in fashion shows, plants are employed as part of the decoration and staging. Prominent designers like Christian Dior use flowers, specific plants, or even natural materials to create a beautiful experience. Such natural elements blend art and fashion, providing spectators with a feeling of being immersed in a fantastical and beautiful world. Ultimately, the role of plants in fashion goes beyond attracting attention. It also holds environmental significance. The use of natural materials in clothing design and fashion shows reflects a commitment to environmental preservation and sustainability in the fashion industry. Consequently, plants, as a fundamental element in the world of fashion, contribute to the aesthetics, creativity, and social responsibility of the industry. If you enjoy our content, please invite your friends to our channel. With your help, we can expand this community of enthusiasts for our content. Thank you for your presence now. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you in future videos.